be very ferocious at times, with the help of one mean machine, or tornado. Hi, I'm Hadison. I'm going to speak on the development and the life cycle of a tornado once it is developed. Doing an abundance of research and gathering a lot of information, I have learned so much. Okay, I know tornadoes can be stressful, but learning about the development and the life cycle of one is actually very interesting. 3 major steps to the process of one developing is 1, air rotation, 2, wind creates a funnel cloud, and 3, touchdown. And then it can begin its life cycle. The first step is air rotation because of wind shear. Wind shear means a change in wind speed and direction. It takes 2 different types of air to form the rotating motion. Cool air and warm, moist air mix, forming a rotation. The different airs come together, forming winds at 2 different speeds and 2 different altitudes, creating a wind shear. The reason the 2 airs form rotation is because the collision of air pushes one upward into the warm, less dense air. When the wind collides, it forms the wind shear, which is necessary for the second step. Now on to the second step. A funnel cloud begins to form. When a column forms from the different airs and winds, it gets caught in a supercell updraft. A supercell needs at least 20,000 feet vertically to form. This updraft tightens the spin and speeds it up. A funnel cloud is now created. After the funnel cloud is formed, the third step is next. The formed tornado rotates, and that rotation causes it to touch down. The thunderstorm and rain all make this possible. What makes a touchdown is when you have a strong updraft or downdraft which pushes that horizontal rotation into a vertical position, which causes the funnel cloud to come in contact with the ground, causing a tornado. Now onto the life cycle of a tornado. When a tornado touches ground, it follows a very predictable life cycle. First, surrounding dirt rises up and spins, causing damage to even heavy objects, which is debris. The main energy source of a tornado is the RFD, or rear flank downdraft. The distance of a tornado depends on the RFD. A rear flank downdraft is a region of dry air wrapping around the funnel in a supercell thunderstorm. Large hail comes from the rear flank downdraft. There are various types of tornadoes, including the land spout, multiple vortex, and a water spout. Land spouts are smaller. The highest damage one has ever done is a F3. And they're the most common. Then you have a multiple vortex. It contains various funnels and are really dangerous. The highest it's ever done is a F5, which is the highest. And then you have water spouts. Scientists don't really consider this a tornado because it's in water, but the air rotation is what causes the water to rise up and rotate, and it is very weak. Thank you for your time and consideration. I hope you've learned a lot and found it as interesting as I did.
No, it was only 30 seconds.